ITR and ROC annual filing, follow below steps in systematic order. 1. Finalize your books of account. Every company is obligated under Section 128 of the Companies Act to prepare and keep at its registered office proper books of account. At the end of the financial year, the financial statement is prepared in form of balance sheet and profit and loss account. 2. Prepare computation of income tax. After finalization of the account, a computation of income tax is prepared as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act after taking credit of TDS and advance tax already deposited. The end result of the computation is either tax payable or refund. 3. Pay income tax and file ITR. Pay income tax for the financial year in Challan 280 and file an income tax return in form number ITR 5. The due date of filing the company income tax return is 30th September. Thus, for the financial year 2018 to 2019, the due date is 30th September 2019. Digital signature is mandatory for ITR. 4. Statutory audit of the company. The balance sheet and profit and loss account of the company is audited by the statutory auditor of the company. The auditor in its report has to express his independent opinion whether the book of account of the company reflects the true fair view of its state of affairs. 5. Notice of AGM and director report. The annual general meeting is held within 180 days of the end of the financial year. However, for a newly incorporated company, the first AGM can be held up to 31st December. For the purpose of AGM, a notice and director's report is drafted as per the Companies Act 2013. 6. File AGT1 ROC form after AGM. One of the main purposes of the AGM is to appoint or reappoint statutory auditor of the company for the next audit period. The decision taken in AGM relating to appointment of auditor of the company is reported in Form ADT1 within 50 days of the conclusion of AGM for the company. 7. File financial statement in Form AOC4. The annual financial statement report of the company is filed with the ROC within 30 days of the AGM. The balance sheet, profit and loss account and auditor report is filed in Form AOC4 with prescribed ROC fee. The late filing is allowed with an additional fees of ₹100 for each day of delay. 8. File annual return of company in MGT-7. Within 60 days of the AGM, the company's annual return filed in Form MGT-7. This is an annual report to the ROC about overall corporate standing of the company with details of changes of directors and shareholding details. The late filing is allowed with an additional fees of ₹100 for each day of delay. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Set India Biz. Set India Biz. Business begins here.